Good morning, one and all present. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Now we are going to see some problems in unit number 2. Normally in unit number 2 we are having problems, simple problems, direct substitutions. Only we need to identify the formulas. Likewise, now we are going to see one problem that is asked in Anna University semester exam May-June 2013 for 8 mark. If you are selecting this kind of problems, then you will be getting easily the answers, and mark will be up to 8. So in second unit, some graphs, circuit diagrams. If you try to draw those things, the time will be taken much. So instead of choosing those things, we can choose problems also. The simple problem we can see one by one. Now this problem based on chopper control circuit. Here we are having a problem name, that is a chopper used to control separately excited DC motors speed. For that we are giving supply voltage as 230 volt. So 230 volt is nothing but it is a supply voltage from the source, not an armature voltage. We may have the confusion, the supply voltage and armature voltage. So supply voltage in the sense it is 230 volt supply from the source. After getting switched on and off, we are having a regulated voltage, that is called armature voltage, available and at load side. So due to this on time and off time, that armature voltage is obtained, already we know. Then here we are having a constant, that is continuous current at load side. So that current should be identified at 3000 RPM. So in order to run this 3000 RPM, how much current is required? That is question. For that we need to have our voltage constant and armature resistance. So simply we can have here load current is asked. Some people may think that is a VA, that is voltage, this is resistance. So voltage and resistance, according to Ohm's law we can find current. If you are doing like this, the answer is wrong. So this is what the identification we need to have. First we need to write what are the given datas. Given data, here we are giving the supply voltage Vs, that is 230 volt, and switch is getting turned on for 15 millisecond, that is equal to 15 into 10 to the power minus 3 second. And how much time the switches is turned off? That is 5 millisecond, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 second. And the data which is required is armature current, that is load current, how much. This is what we need to identify at 3000 RPM. The speed value will be 3000 RPM. By that RPM, how much current is required, that is we need to identify. For that the extra values are given, that is 0.5 volt radiant per second, and resistance, armature resistance 4 ohm. So these are the given datas. From the given datas we need to identify what are the values are given. So the given data is Vs, T on T of kV RA. We need to find IA. So from this given data we directly cannot identify what is VA of A. Directly we couldn't have. So by using this T on T of we can find. So before that we need to find what is IA. So IA, in the sense we are having our load side circuit. So just to draw the circuit, you can have the idea. That is our EB, and that is resistance available at armature. So if you are giving supply for these terminals, that supply is called as our armature voltage. The armature voltage produces armature current. This current should be, we need to calculate. So once we have so many switches here, this chopping operation takes place for some time on and off. Due to that on and off only, the controlled voltage, regulated voltage is coming from this source. So in this source we are having our Vs. So this is Vs. After getting switching on and switching off, we are having the regulated voltage as armature voltage. Due to this armature voltage, this current is produced. Now question is, if suppose the rotor, if it is runs 3000 rpm, how much current is required? That is question. So if we find Va, and by Va substituted Va divided by Ra, Ia, if you are saying like this, Ia is equal to Va divided by Ra, in the sense, the answer is wrong. Answer is purely depend upon the rotor. So we need to find what is rotor value, then only we can identify Ia of. So for that we need to have a small equation, that is Va, which is equal to, if you are applying KVL for the circuit, Va is equal to Ia Ra plus Eb. So if you are rearranging it, Eb Va minus of Eb, which is equal to Ia Ra. We know the value of Ia, so Ia is equal to Va minus Eb divided by Ra. In this equation is final one to identify our answer. From the given data, Va is not given, Ra is given, Eb is not given. So we need to find these two values. How to find Va? So that is first step, we need to find what is Va. Va, in the sense Va, which is equal to the duty cycle into V. Duty cycle in the sense, that is total time, that is on time divided by total time into Vs. What is on time? Here they are giving 15 seconds, so 15 into 10 to the power minus 3 seconds divided by total second. Total second in the sense T is equal to T on plus T off, that is our total seconds. So from this total second, 15 on time, 5 off time. So 15 plus 5, that is 20 millisecond, that is 10 to the power minus 3, the whole into 230 volt. So from, if you are getting simplified answer, that is both are getting cancelled. So here 3, here 4, 3 by 4 into 230, the answer is, by calculation, the answer is 172.5 volt. That is our Va. So first step of our identification of answer is over. And next step, we need to identify, we need to calculate what is Eb. For that we know the formula of Eb, which is equal to, by using kV and omega m. Here kV is given, omega m is not given. So omega m formula, that is 2 pi n divided by 60. If you know all the formulas, then easily we can write. By using n, we can find Ab. So this Eb is produced due to this much amount of speed, that we can identify. So if you are substituting 2 pi into 3000 rpm is given and divided by 60. So if you are substituting 2 pi into 3000 divided by 60, so kV is already given in our given data. So 0.5 volt is given, and 2 pi into 3000 divided by 60. So if you are having in calculator 0.5 into 2 pi into 3000 divided by 60, after getting simplification, the answer will be 157.07 volt, that is EB. This EB at 3000 rpm, this EB will be produced at 3000 rpm. Now in this formula we identified VA EB, and now we can substitute, we can find a IA. That is our third step. IA, which is equal to VA minus EB divided by RA. That is VA is 172.5 minus 157.02. Here I made one mistake, that is this term answer is 157, so here 0.5, that is answer divided by 0.5 whole divided by RA value as 4. Here simplifying these answers, this is 172.5 minus 78.5, because 157 divided by 5 is 78, 4. The answer is 23.49 amps. So finally the IA is 23.49 amps. This is what our final answer.